Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to make super flat world in Aternos. So let's get started. Go to Aternos official website, log into your Aternos server and navigate to your server dashboard. Click on World section on the left side. Click on Generate. Now click on World type and select Super Flat option. If you select this option, then your previous world will be deleted. Click on Generate. Now start the server. Go back to the Minecraft and join the server. As you can see, the world is now super flat. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.